Say you're driving down the road and you want to know if your green light is going to stay green or if it's going to change to yellow or red soon. How do you tell? How can we tell? Traffic lights don't just randomly change, they change for a reason. The reason being somebody else going in another direction wants to use the intersection, vehicles or pedestrians. Traffic sensors on the ground, you can't always see them, but they look like this. Sometimes they're underneath the pavement and you cannot see them, but when a vehicle drives on top, the sensor detects the vehicle and basically lets the intersection know that somebody else wants to use the intersection. And pedestrians can press the button. And nowadays, there are pedestrian buttons that you only have to wave at to activate. A fresh green light is one that I know for sure is going to stay green. And the only way to tell for sure, if I just saw it turn green, then it's probably going to stay green. Or if I see the pedestrian walk sign on the side of the intersection going the same direction as me, it's telling the pedestrian they have time to start walking across the road and they have time to make it across the whole intersection before it's going to be going yellow. So that tells me as a driver that it's going to be staying green by the time I get through the intersection. Otherwise, I can look around each intersection and figure out if there's basically any demand for the intersection from adjacent directions. So I take a look and see if there's any cars on the sensor on the other roads and how many, if there's just one or if there's like a big line. That tells me those cars have been there for a long time. That tells me my light is very stale and might go yellow soon. Similarly, I can see if there's any pedestrians standing on the side that may have pressed the button. I can't always tell for sure because sometimes pedestrians press the button and then they run across the street if there's no traffic coming, and then the light changes after that and it kind of looks like there's nobody there. So I can never be too sure, but if there's no pedestrians and no cars around the other directions, then my light will most likely be staying green. Even though technically a stale traffic light is one that I don't know 100% for sure if it's going to be changing to yellow or not. Okay, let's go through some examples. This one, the light just turned green, so it's going to stay green. Okay, that's too easy. This one is stale for sure. It's hard to see, but there are some cars waiting. There is a pedestrian waiting on the side, and I don't see any walk sign. Therefore, it's stale for sure. It might go yellow anytime. Look at this one here. Absolutely nothing going on. We have the walk sign for the pedestrians, so for sure the light 100% is going to stay green. No pedestrian, no cars, and there's nothing on the sensor at all. No reason for it to change to yellow. 100% going to be staying green. This one is stale for sure. There's a clump of cars on the left. There's a clump of cars on the right. There is no walk sign, only a hand, which means don't walk to the pedestrians. Very stale. Could be going yellow at any moment. These are advanced warning signs, usually found on roads where the speed limit is higher than 50. If it's flashing yellow, you should prepare to stop your vehicle. Here's another one, but it is not flashing yellow, so I should be able to proceed with confidence that the light is going to stay green as long as I am driving around at the speed limit speed. If I'm driving a lot faster than the speed limit, it's definitely going to stay green. If I'm driving a lot slower than the speed limit, then there's a chance it might go yellow by the time I get there. But in that case, it would be easier to stop since I'm already going slower. There is at least one car waiting there and a hand. This is for sure stale, might go yellow. This one is stale for sure. Looks like it's been green for a long time. There's a pile of cars on the left and right waiting. There is a hand, no walk sign, and there it goes. This is also stale for sure. That is an illegal lane change over a solid white line. Looks like it's been green for a while. There's a hand, no walk sign, Very stale, could be turning yellow at any moment. The flashing green light is technically stale because I don't know for sure. Some of them go to solid green before they go yellow, and some of them don't. So it may be stale. It doesn't look like anyone pressed the button, so it'll probably stay green. This one looks stale for sure. It's been green for a while. There's no walk sign, only a hand. And there it is, my light right there, turning yellow.